In a fast-changing world, success often belongs to those who embrace learning and real-world experience. At eduCLaaS, we combine education, mentorship, and professional growth to prepare you for the challenges of tomorrow. Meet Lahiru Dilshan, a motion graphics and content creator at SJ Digital Media Solutions. Through the eduCLaaS Digital Business Bachelor's degree program, he gained practical skills and hands-on experience, empowering him to create impactful content and excel in his apprenticeship journey.
Hi, I am Lahiru Dilshan from Sri Lanka. As a motion graphics and content creator at SJ Digital Media Solutions, I produce engaging content for TikTok and other social media platforms using motion graphics and real footage. Before the bootcamp ended, eduCLaaS prepared us for the start of the apprenticeship journey by conducting a career guidance program. They coached me to succeed in my apprenticeship journey from the beginning. During the bootcamp, while working on assignments and projects, I used design and video editing softwares like Canva, CapCut and Premiere Pro, gaining valuable skills applicable to my professional tasks. The time management team provided a personal time specialist to guide us through our apprenticeship. They helped me to create my portfolio, CV and video introduction. Also, they conducted mock interviews to boost my confidence for actual interviews. Their support was invaluable in preparing me for the interviews. I have gained more than just academic education from eduCLaaS and found it to be more valuable compared to other degree programs. I think eduCLaaS provides a great opportunity for those seeking higher education and looking to start a successful career.